Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. As you know, I am bringing no crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today we bring a new amazing coin project. Its name is Cookie Coin. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Guys, you can check here this coin project, Cookie Coin website interface. So first of all, we discuss about of this project. You can check here about Cookie Queen, the meme queen loved by everyone, fun for all ages. The Cookie Queen guarantees no value, only unlimited fun. Join the community today. And next guys, you can check here tokenomics of this project Cookie Queen. You can see the total supply, you can check here. And next guys, you can check here contract address. You can copy this contract address, then you can buy now. And next we go to this project token allocation. Token allocation, team and developers 15% rewards for initial project development and maintaining technology, marketing and ecosystem expansion, 20% incentives for user acquisition and partnership growth, community rewards 30%, reward for user engagement, token sales 25%, fundraising through pre-sale and public sales, reserve fund 10%, reserve for emergencies and unforeseen situations. And next guy, you can check here, you can see this picture of the Cookie Queen project. You can check here tokenomics, you can see this, we have discussed this detail. And next we go to this project NFT details. So guys, you can click this button and see this page is loading. It take time, then you can see this page is open now. So guys, you can check here NFT page is open. You can see this NFT detail. The Cookie Coin introduces exclusive NFT collections that unlock special perks, rewards, and access to the growing Cookie Coin ecosystem. Own a piece of the Cookie Coin world today. You can see this. And next we go to this project roadmap. So guys, you can click this button and see this roadmap is open. You can check here. So first of all, we discuss phase 1, launching Cookie Coin, expand the CKS community through social media channels, launch the Cookie Coin airdrop, building community with domestic power. And next guys, you can see this phase 2, number 1, beginning marketing campaign, number 2, 10,000 plus holders, number 3, establishing partnership with cold charity etc, number 4, conducting contest within the Cookie Coin community. Phase 3, number 1, initiating CKC listing on DEX, number 2, marketing campaign across various platforms. Phase 4, number 1, commencing partnerships across the concerned industries, number 2, making CKC recognize the first community driven meme coin for payment, number 3, achieving 100,000 plus holders milestones, number 4, launching NFT shopping mall W2E, number 5, listing CX. So guys, you can see this Cookie Coin roadmap. You can check here. And next we go to this project community. So guys, you can click this button and see this community is loading. So it's take time, then you can check here, the page is open now. Guys, you can check here, community page is open. You can check here community detail of this project. Join the lovely Cookie Coin community where ideas, fun and rewards flow. Together we are shipping the future of meme based crypto innovations. And next we go to this project W2E. So guys, you can click this button and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here W2E detail. You can see this W2E work to earn. Play and earn with Cookie Coins. W2E games turn your gaming skills into real rewards while enjoying a fun and engaging ecosystem. And next we go to this project shopping details. So guys, you can click here and see this shopping of this project Cookie Coin. You can see this shopping detail. Shopping that guys, this is the amazing Cookie Coin project in which you can shopping now. Use Cookie Coin to shop for exclusive products, digital assets and services. Redefine online shopping with cryptocurrency. And next guys, you can see this. So we go to this project pre-sale. So guys, you can click this pre-sale Cookie Coin. So guys, you can see this page is loading. You can check here Symmetry tools, cookie coin pre-sale page is open. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect polling wallet, phantom wallet, solitaire. So you can select any wallet. Then you can see this cookie coin pre-sale. You can check here amount you can buy, and now you can buy minimum 0.20 Solana. You can check here. You can see this public sale starting in. You can see this time countdown start. You can check here. Next, you can check here project information, tokenomics, airdrop, DAI, NFA. You can check here. And next, you can see this how to trade on desk cleaner. You can click this and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this. You can watch this video in YouTube completely how to trade on desk cleaner. You can check here. You can subscribe this channel. Then you can watch this video completely, like and comment this video, and next we back to the home page and see this more detail. So guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter page. Guys, you can check here Cookie Queen official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and give information about this project. You can check here. It's not just tasty, it's fun to one bite and the whole world becomes sweeter. This coin is best. Let's fill up with happiness using. You can check here all posts. You can watch and comment this post and like and retweet this post. And next we back to the home page, and next we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So we go to Telegram group chat community now. So guys, you can click this and back to the home page and see this Telegram group chat community. Guys, you can check here Cookie Queen official Telegram group chat community is open. You can check here 177 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group, and next we back to the home page. And next we go to blog of this project Cookie Queen. You can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here blog interface page is open. You can see here blog of this project. You can click this and view all posts, and next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you all like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.